Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek Saraf and I'm an IAS officer of 2020 batch. So first of all, I would like to wish you all the very best for the results of the prelims that just happened, and I would also like to wish you all the very best for the preparation that you may be doing for the upcoming mains. So to help your preparation, whether you are a beginner, whether you have appeared in the prelims or whether you have written multiple mains, to aid and help your preparation, I am doing a lot of voluntary work, as you may already be aware, and you can contact me regarding whatever doubts and issues you might be having during preparation regarding how to solve the paper, what sources to use, what should be the strategy for prelims, how to make notes, what should be the strategy for mains, how should you write answers, how should you write essays, what should be the strategy for interview. So if you have any of these doubts, queries, and if you want them resolved, so you can contact me. I solve those doubts voluntarily for people free of cost, and as part of that voluntary work, I'll be coming to an academy on 18th and 19th of June on Saturday and Sunday from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. So you can book a session, book a slot with me using the link provided in the brochure, and hope to see you soon at the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. Thank you.